Who did you pack in there, Bubba?
Oh no.
Tell Mommy.
Oh, some bro.
It's okay. Tell me their names again. I forget what you just said.
Donner and Cupid and Blitzen and Hitchen. And Donner and Blitzen and Hitchen and ditchen.
And ditchen, okay.
This one's broke.
But do you recall the most famous candy cane of all? It's okay, Poppy.
Is that a this time?
Come show Mommy their names again.
Just trying to get it. These two candy canes are kind of broken.
Kind of broken?
There's not more candy canes.
I know, you pretty much cleared the tree.
Are they off of the tree?
There's a couple more. We'll get them.
Where's a couple more?
Up top.